This is Jensen Collins, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a grumpy cloud.
All right, we're going to draw a grumpy cloud. We're going to start with our crayon tool. And we're going to go to about a third of our paper, and we're going to draw a straight line, just like that. Next, we're going to do a bouncing line, but we're going to make the bouncing shapes different. So like we'll start with a small one, and then maybe a big one, and then some smaller ones, and maybe a medium one, some smaller ones, and a great big one, and another smaller one, like that. And we're going to color this shape in with some gray. Because he's a grumpy cloud, it's going to be a darker gray. Next, I'm going to grab some white and our marker tool, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger. We're going to put some eyes on our cloud. We're going to put one over here, and we're going to put one over here. We're going to grab black, go just a bit smaller, and just because he's grumpy doesn't mean he isn't cute. So we're going to go just a little smaller and do 2 more dots. Like that. But our cloud is not looking very grumpy. So we're going to go back to the gray we had and our crayon. And the easiest way to make this guy grumpy is to draw a diagonal line straight across that eye. And color it in. So we'll do it again over here. Just like that. And then we're going to give him some eyebrows. So we're going to use our crayon tool and some black. We're going to do kind of a check mark. So we're going to do a C shape that follows that diagonal line. We'll do another C shape and then follow the diagonal line. And typically when we're grumpy, we have frowny faces. So we'll do an upside down C. Just like that. Now I think it would be kind of funny if he had little crossed arms. So using our black crayon, we're going to draw a little stick arm that goes this way, kind of an S shape. And we'll do one that comes from here, goes under this curve, just like that. And it's okay if they're not perfect. And then we'll give him 3 little fingers. So we'll make kind of an oval shape. We'll do a C curve and a C curve. We'll do an oval shape. A C curve and another C curve, and we'll color those in with our dark gray color. Now sometimes when clouds get grumpy, they have a little bit of lightning, maybe some thunder, maybe some rain. So we're going to draw that in for him. We're going to draw a line at a diagonal, one that follows it. We're going to draw a flat one back and one straight down like that. From this point, we're going to come back up and then make another straight line out. And then you may just have to lengthen that one to make it match up. And then just color that in. So there's our lightning. Maybe we'll do another one on this side. And then we'll add in the rain. So we're just going to use our crayon tool and we're going to do little short marks down. And you can put as much or as little as you want. there you have it, a grumpy cloud.